Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will see last 1 year current affairs important for your upcoming RRB NTPC undergraduate exam and SSC exam. See, our first topic is first in India and world. First question is first state in India to constitute 8th pay commission, that is Assam. First fully paperless district, that is Wayanad, Kerala. Next to India's first Gahan Prajan Gyan Kendra launched Mumbai. Next to first state to digitize voter list under SIR, that is Rajasthan. Bharat Net scheme related to Punjab state. Next first country to impose a generational tobacco ban, important on Maldives. Next first state to provide paid leave for menstruation, that is Karnataka. Next name of India's first electric powered rocket, that is Vijayputra. Next world first officially cashless country, that is Sweden. India's first state to become free from poverty, that is Kerala state. India's first president to fly in a Rafale aircraft, that is President Draupadi Murmu. India's first semiconductor innovation museum, that is Hyderabad. Mental health ambassador, that is Deepika Padukone. First state to amend the Wildlife Act 1972, that is Kerala. Next to India's first cheetah safari launched Madhya Pradesh, Kunu National Park. Next to India's first slum free city, that is Chandigarh. Next to India's first child marriage free district, that is Balod district, Chhattisgarh. Next to India's first integrated oncology research center, that is Goa. Next to first state in India to receive a identity card for self-help group, that is Tamil Nadu. Next to world first AI generated genome was created by Stanford University and Arts University, USA. Next Asia's first women cancer treatment, that is Apollo Athens, New Delhi. BR first female FIDE master, that is Maria Fatima. Next first government medical college to offer training on the Da Vinci robot system, that is AIIMS, Delhi. Next India's first PM Mitra Park, Madhya Pradesh. World first AI generated minister, that is name is Diala, appointed in Albania. Next world first digital tribal university, that is New Delhi. India's fourth fully literate state, that is Himachal Pradesh. Next first G7 country to recognize the state of Palestine, that is France. Next India's first AI powered tribal language translator, the name is Adivani. Next India's first fully digital literate state, that is Kerala. India's first AI powered Anganwadi, that is Maharashtra. India's first grassland bird sanctuary, that is Kaziranga National Park, Assam. Next India's first state to give agriculture status to livestock, that is Maharashtra. Next female first fighter pilot of Indian Navy, that is Asthana Punia. Next India's first aquatic park, Assam. Next India's first transgender clinic, that is Hyderabad. Next India's first butterfly sanctuary, that is Kerala. Next first non-banking financial company in maritime sector, that is Sagarmala Finance Corporation. Next India's first state to implement yoga policy, that is Uttarakhand. Next first woman of CISF to climb Mount Everest, that is Geeta Samota. Next first Indian to reach the International Space Station, that is Shubhanshu Shukla. Next one India's first female e-voter, that is Vaibhav Devi. Next India's first green data center, that is Ghaziabad. Next first state in India to start e-voting, that is Bihar. Next first woman aid a camp to president, that is Yashasvi Solanki. Next first usually impaired woman to climb Mount Everest, that is Chongqing Angmo. Next first fully literate state of India, that is Mizoram. Next India's first quantum computing village, that is Amaravati. Next India's first floating ghat, that is Ayodhya. Next one, second state to implement uniform civil code, that is Gujarat. Next, India's first bank to install ATM in trains, that is Bank of Maharashtra. Next, first state to complete archaeological survey at village level, that is Karnataka. Next, first state to implement uniform civil code, that is Uttarakhand. Second is Gujarat. Next, world longest express tunnel, that is Tianjin Shanghai, Chennai. The first state to fully implement three criminal laws, that is Chandigarh. Next, country's first border village to run on solar energy, that is Masali village, Gujarat. Next, the country's first digital museum, that is Maharashtra. Next, first state to implement semiconductor policy, Gujarat. Next one, the country's first digital museum, Maharashtra. First state to implement semiconductor policy, Gujarat. Inauguration of India's first writer village, that is Uttarakhand. Bihar government inaugurated state first dry port, that is Bihar. Next, first Indian to climb Mount Shisha Panganam, that is Arjun Bajpai. Next, first woman officer to take over as a DG of Armed Forces, that is Vice Admiral Arti Saren. Next, India's first zoo with IGBC certification, that is Himachal Bankhandi. Next, India's first oxygen bird park, Nagpur, Maharashtra. See, our next topic is mobile apps and portals. See, first one, Graha Lakshmi portal launched by Karnataka state. Sanchar Sati, Department of Telecommunication. Sujala India app, Ministry of Jal Shakti. Kayaka Setu portal, Karnataka government. MI Bharat app, that is Mansukh Mandavia. Next one, Never Alone app, that is AIMS Delhi. PM Setu portal launched by PM Narendra Modi. Gaja Rakshak app, that is Madhya Pradesh. Gyana Bharatam portal, that is Ministry of Culture. Kapas Kisan, Union Ministry of Textile. Next, ECNet app. Iswar is Election Commission of India. Pratibha Setu portal related to UPSC. Prava portal, Reserve Bank of India. Umid portal, Central Bank. Railway app, Indian Railway. Sachet app, National Reserve Disaster Management. AI chatbot, Sarathi, launched by Haryana government. E-Sehat, Jammu Kashmir. Rise app, Uttar Pradesh government. Swaral app, Indian Railway. RBI data, Reserve Bank of India. Next, Mitra portal, launched by SEI. Samman Sanjeevani by Haryana government. Bharat portal, that is Home Minister Amit Shah. Scan portal, Consumer and Food Ministry. Ekalavya portal, Indian Army. Anna Darpan, that is Food Corporation of India. Saksham, Election Commission of India. Vision portal, Dr. Jitendra Singh. Sugam portal, that is Chhattisgarh. Sankalan app, National Investigation Agency. Next, Jagruti app, Department of Consumer Affairs. See, our next topic is important MOUs. First one is to develop India's first net zero city between Telangana and UAE in the field of immigration, security and cooperation. India and Germany, agreement for postal and express, that is India and Germany, to enhance cooperation on drug, that is India and Liberia, for shared learning and educational innovation, that is Gati Shakti University and Amazon. Next, RELOS agreement between India and Russia, vocational skills between MSD Outdesk to strengthen operational partnership between the armed forces, that is India and Australia, to produce green hydrogen mass from rice, that is IISc Bangalore and Punjab. Next, to cooperate on a joint lending arrangement, that is India and Japan. Next, MOU defense cooperation between India and Morocco for promoting investment, India and Israel for exploration and development of minerals, that is Oil India and HCL. Next, to promote cross-border payment, that is MasterCard and Infosys. Next, to enhance maritime security and safety cooperation, India and UAE Next to promote drone technology between Assam and IIT Manipur. Next to strengthen cooperation in areas of fisheries, that is India and Maldives. Next to enhance cooperation in area of trade, health and payments, that is India and Namibia. Next to strengthen cooperation in culture health, that is India and Ghana. To enable UPI service for cross border, that is India and Syrup. Next to enhance cooperation in energy sector, India and Denmark. Next to develop cross border power transmission infrastructure, that is India and Nepal. For cooperation in the field of scientific research, that is India and Italy. Next one, no, for enhancing judicial cooperation between Supreme Courts, India and Nepal. Next for disaster management and cultural exchange, that is India and Chile. To promote cooperation in water, sanitation and health, that is India and Nepal. To promote defense and trade, India and New Zealand. To strengthen cooperation lithium exploration, important one, India and Argentina. Agreement on non-basmati white rice, that is India and Indonesia. For deep tech innovation between Andhra Pradesh and IIT Madras. For providing protection to Maharashtra coast and river bank between Government of India and Asian Development Bank. Next, agreement for establishment of Joint Commission for Corporation between India and Kuwait. Last one, agreement for electric propulsion system for Indian Navy between India and UK. So our next topic is military exercise. Important or no? 17th Dosti exercise between India and Sri Lanka. Venue is Maldives. 8th Ekta Indian Maldives. Desert Cyclone 2 Indian UAE Abu Dhabi. 14th Equatorial Indian Maldives Thiruvananthapuram Kerala. 15th Harimo Shakti Indian Malaysia Rajasthan. 10th Garuda Shakti India Indonesia Himachal Pradesh. 19th Surya Kiran Indian Nepal Pitrogad Uttarakhand. 11th Mitra Shakti between India and Sri Lanka Belagavi Karnataka. Ajay Warrior Indian United Kingdom Rajasthan. Garuda Shakti India and France. Next Purva Prachanda India Tri Series Arunachal Pradesh. Trishulu Tri Series Rajasthan. Next Astas between India and Australia North Pacific Ocean. Next Malabar exercise, important on India, Australia, Japan and USA quad countries Guam Pacific Ocean. Okay. Next JMX India and Japan, west of Japan. 5th Samudra Shakti India Indonesia Andhra Pradesh. First INROKN means India and South Korea. 4th Astra Hindu Indian Australia Bharat Australia. Indra Shakti between India and Australia Rajasthan. Konkan India and UK west coast of India. Next Pacific multinational Singapore. Freedom Edge South Korea United States Japan South Korea. Same India exercise India and Thailand. Japad exercise, important one, between Russia and Brazil. Next 21st Youth Abhyas India and USA. Alaska United States. Bright Star multinational Egypt. 14th Maitri exercise India and Thailand Umroi Meghalaya. 12th Slinex India and Sri Lanka Colombo Sri Lanka. Jai Mata exercise India and Japan Chennai coast. Samanvay Shakti Indian Army Assam and Manipur. Next sustainable power between Gulf of Oman and this is the venue Gulf of Oman and North Indian Ocean. Next 14th Bold Kurukshetra India and Singapore Jodhpur is the venue. Prachanda Shakti exercise venue is Meerut. Last one is Simbex, important one, India and Singapore venue is Singapore. Next we will see various operation, important one, Operation Swadesh launched by central government to ensure safe return of Indians in Iran. Next Absolute Resolve US Army Delta Force arrested Venezuela President Nicolas Maduro and brought him to New York. That is Absolute Resolve. Next Operation Crystal Fortress launched by CBI. Next Operation Hawkeye. Under this operation US military conducted major strike on ISIS targets in Syria. Next Operation Sagar Bandhul by Government of India, rescue from people affected by cyclone in Daitma. Hitwa in Sri Lanka. Important one. Next, Operation Hawk launched by CBI to dismantle cybercrime. Next, Operation White Cauldron, a major national anti-narcotics operation conducted by Directorate of Revenue Intelligence. Operation Southern Spear launched by United States. Next, Operation Fire Trail to stop illegal smuggling. Next, Operation Black Forest, biggest anti-Naxal operation carried out in Karagutta Hills on the border of Chhattisgarh and Telangana. Next, Operation Mahadev. Operation Mahadev related to under this 3 terrorists were killed by Indian Army in Ledwa area of Srinagar. Next, Operation Muskan. Under this, Telangana police rescued 7,600 children from exploitation. Operation Falcons to stop poaching of rhinos, illegal wildlife trade in Assam. Next, Operation Kalinemi by the Uttarakhand government. Operation Shiva by the Indian Army. Next, Operation Midnight Hammer. Midnight Hammer means attack by the United States on Iran. Next, True Promise 3. Under this, Iran launched a massive retaliatory missile and drone against Israel. That is Operation True Promise 3. Operation Sindhu by Government of India to evacuate Indian citizens from Iran and Israel. That is Operation Sindhu. Operation Rising Lion, a large and highly conducted coordinated military attack by Israel against Iran. Next, Operation Spiderwave. Under this, Ukraine launched a deadly drone on Russia. Operation Shield, model conducted by the Indian government for civil security in the state bordering Pakistan. Next, Operation Killer by the Indian Army. Next, Operation Sindoor by the Indian government to destroy terrorist hideouts in POK. Next here important is Operation Rising Sun by the Director of Revenue Intelligence to boost gold smuggling syndicate in the 4 states. Next, Operation Devil Hunt by the Bangladesh to arrest people trying to destabilize the country. Okay friends, these are the important operations. Our next topic is indexes, very important one. First one, Asia Manufacturing Index issued by Dejin and Shira and Associated Hong Kong. First rank is China, India 6th rank. Responsible Nation Index, first rank is Singapore, India is 16th. Online Passport Index important one, total 192 countries. Singapore is the first rank, 80th India's rank. Next one, Global Passport Index, UAE first, India 67th. World Peace and Security Index, Denmark is the first one, India is 131st. Climate Change Performance Index issued by German Watch, Denmark is 4th, India is 23rd. Next, Global Commitment to Development Index, Sweden is first, India is 36th. Global Climate Risk Index, San Vanuatu is first, 15th is India. Next, Global Firepower Index, USA is first, India is 4th. Next, Asia Power Index, USA is first, India is 3rd. Next, Sustainable Business Index, US is first, India is 23rd. Next, Global Hunger Index, important one, issued by German Institute, Armenia is first, India is 102. Index of Economic Freedom, that is Hong Kong first, India 128. Global Innovation Index, important one, Switzerland is first, India is 38th. World Talent Ranking, Switzerland first, India 63rd. Smart City Index, Zurich is first, Delhi 104th. Global AI City Index, Singapore first, Bangalore 26th. World Competitive Index, Singapore first, India 41st. Global Unicorn, that is USA first, third is our India. Next, Global Peace Index, important to know, Iceland first, our country is 115th. Next, Global Livability Index, important to know, first one is Copenhagen. Next, Energy Transition Index issued by World Economic Forum, Sweden is first, our country is 71. Next, gender gap index. Iceland is first, our country is 129th. Next, climate change performance index. Denmark first, India is 10th. Next, human development index. UNDP. Iceland first, India is 130. Next, freedom index. World Press freedom index. Norway first, India is 151st. World happiness report. Important one. Finland first, India 118th. Next, corruption index. Important one. Issued by Transparency International. Total 180 country. Denmark first, India 96th. Next one, network readiness index. Important one, USA first, India is 49th. Next one, human development index. Switzerland is first, 134th. India. Okay friends, these are the important ranks and indices. Next is central government scheme. See first one, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. See launched here important to 25 August 2014. Next, Make in India 2014. Swachh Bharat Mission 2014. Mission Indradhanush 2014. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao 2015. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana 2015. Atal Pension 2015. Smart City Mission 2015. Digital India Mission 2015. Skill India Mission 2015. Deen Dayal 2015. See next, Bharat Mela project 2015. One rank, one pension, that is 7th November 2015. Startup India 2016. Setu Bharatam project 2016. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana 2016. Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana 2017. Udan scheme. See year is very important. 27th April 2017. Pradhan Mantri Vayu Vandana Yojana 2017. Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, that is 2017. BharatNet Yojana 2017. PM Jan Arogya Yojana, that is 2018. PM Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme 2019. Jal Jeevan Mission important 2019. Next, Fit India Mission 2019. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Mandana Yojana 2019. Atal Jal Yojana 2019. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana important 2019. Swamitva Yojana 2020. Atmanirbhar Yojana 2020. PM Swanidhi Yojana 2020. Education policy very important 2020. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana 2020. PM Vani Yojana 2020. Next one, Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana 3.0, that is 2021. Gram Ujjwal Yojana 2021. Jal Shakti Abhiyan 2021. PM Yuva Yojana 2021. Jaan Hai To Jahan Hai campaign, that is 2021. Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana 2.0 2021. Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission 2021. Amrut 2.0 2021. PM Mitra scheme 2021. Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti Yojana, year is very important 13 October 2021. Next, Swadeshi Se Samriddhi Yojana 2022. Agnipat Yojana 2022. Pradhan Mantri Adi Adarsh Gram Yojana 2022. PM Shri Yojana 5 September 2022. Next one, Yuva 2.0 2022. Telemanas 2022. Mission Life, that is 2022. Digital Shakti 4.0 2022. Amrit Bharat Station Scheme 2022. Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana 11th January 2023. Arogya Maitri 2023. Jal Jeevan Jal Jan Abhiyan, that is 16th Feb 2023. 75/25, that is 2023. Amrit Dharohar Yojana 2023. Vivishe Vishwas 2023. My Bill My Rights 2023. PM Vishwakarma Yojana important to know 17 September 2023. PM Janman 15 November 2023. सी इयर PM सूर्यघर मुफ्त बिजली योजना इंपार्टेंट अनु 13th Feb 2024. NPS योजना इंपार्टेंट अनु NPS वत्सला योजना 18 September 2024. प्रधानमंत्री इंटेंसिव स्कीम 2024. प्रधानमंत्री विद्या लक्ष्मी योजना दैट इज 6th November 2024. वन नेशन वन सब्सक्रिप्शन इंपार्टेंट अनु 2025 1st January. नेक्स्ट नेशनल कॉर्पोरेशन पॉलिसी 2025. Last one is UPS, that is Unified Pension Scheme, 1st August 2025. See here date and year very important for exam point of view. See our next topic is national awards important or no. First Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna Award 2024. Total number awards 4. First one is D. Jugesh related to which sports? Chess. Harmanpreet Singh related to hockey. Praveen Kumar athletes. Manu Bhaker shooting. See there are total 32 Arjuna awards. Here important is awards person and sports. See our next topic is national international awards. See first Nobel Prize very important in medicine. Mary Brooknow, Fred Ramsel, Shimoni Sanguchi. See discovery is important here for their discovery on concerning peripheral immunotolerance which prevents the immune system from attacking body's own tissue. Important one. Next in physics field there are 3 persons, John Clark, Michael and John M. Martins. What is their discovery? Microscopic quantum mechanical tunneling and energy quantization. In chemistry field Susum, Richard and Homer. Their discoveries for the development of the metal organic framework. In peace important Maria Corina Machado, okay, from Venezuela country for tireless work promoting democratic rights for the people of Venezuela. Important in economics field Joel Philip Peter for their contribution to explain the innovation driven economic growth. In literature Laszlo Krasnahorike, that is from Hungary country. See these are the important Nobel Prize. See next one 67th Raman Magsaysay Award important award goes to Educate Girls, first Indian organization. This is very important. This is the first Indian organization. Next Sahana Ali Maldives for plastic pollution control. Next Flavina Antio L. Villeneuve from Philips. Next is 71st National Film Award important best film goes to 12th Fail Hindi, best Hindi film Katal, best actor Shah Rukh Khan and Vikrant Messi, best actress Rani Mukherjee, Mr. Chatterjee vs Norway, best director is Sudipto Sen, The Kerala Story. Next 78th BAFTA Awards important best film Conclave, best director Brad Corbett, best actor Andrea Brody from Brutalist, best actress Mike Edison from Enora movie. Next 78th Cannes Film Awards Palme Award best film it was just an accident. Next to best actor Wagner Moore, The Street Agent, best actress Nadia Militi, The Little Sister, best director Kleber Mendonca, best short film I Am Glad You Are Dead Now. Camera the award for the best first film, Hassan Hadi. See next one, Sahitya Academy Yuva Puraskar Award. In Hindi, Parvati Tarke. Poetry is Fir Ugna. English, Advait Kottari. Siddhartha, who became the Buddha. Maithili, Neha Jha Mani. Sanskrit, Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Pandey. See our next important award is 97th Oscar Award. Important one, Best Film, Anora. Best Director, Sean Baker from Anora. Best Actor, Adrien Brody, Brutalist. Best Actress, Mike Madison, Anora. Best Documentary Feature Film, No Other Land. Next one is 67th Grammy Awards. Album of the Year, Beyonce. Record of the Year, Kendrick Lamar. Song of the Year, Kendrick Lamar. Next one, 70th Filmfare Award. Best Film, Missing Lady. Best Director, Kiran Rao. Best Actor, Kartik Aaryan and Abhishek Bachchan. Best Actress, Alia Bhatt, Jigra. 77th Emmy Awards. Best Drama Series, The Pit. The Comedy Series, The Studio. The Best Drama, Noah. The Best Actress, Britt Lower. Best Actor, Seth Rogen. Best Actresses, Jean Smart. Next, very important, Pulitzer Prize. Public Service, Kavita Suran. Leisure Pressure, Cassandra Strack. Editorial Writing, Raj Mankad and team. National Reporting, staff of the Wall Street Journal. International Reporting, Declan Voss and New York Times staff. Breaking News Reporting, Washington Post Office. Next important award is Padma Awards. See, there are total 131 individuals were announced as the recipient of Padma Awards in 2026. 5 were Padma Vibhushan, 13 Padma Bhushan, and total 113 Padma Shri. Total 131 awards. In that, 113 Padma Shri Award, 5 Padma Vibhushan, 13 Padma Bhushan. See, Padma Vibhushan, total 5 persons. First one is Dharmendra Singh Duel, posthumous related to art from Maharashtra state. K.T. Thomas, field is public affairs from Kerala state. N. Ranjamu, art field, UP state. Next, P. Narayan, literature and education field from Kerala state. V.S. Achundam, posthumously given, public affairs from Kerala state. There are total 13 Padma Bhushan awards. You can take the screenshot. There are total 113 Padma Shri awards. See, our next award is 69th Ballon d'Or Awards. See, in men, Osman Dembele. In women, Atia Bonamati. In FIFA World Football Awards, men's Usmane. In female, Athena Bonmati. See, this is important. Indian Railway Highest Service Award, that is Chandana Sin. UN Secretary General Award, Swati Shanta Kumar. PM National Children's Award, that is Vaibhav Suryavanshi. 40 under 40 Lawyer Award, Advocate Shubham Avasthi. Transformational Leader of the Year, that is Jay Shah. UN Highest National Award, that is Supriya Setu, very important to know. Golden Globes Horizon Award, Alia Bhatt. Time Magazine CEO of the Year, that is CEO Neil Mohan. Time Magazine Person of the Year, A.N. Arjit. PETA India's Person of the Year, Ravina Tandon. Next, Global Humanitarian Award goes to Anita Ambani. Important to know. Mohan Parikar Young Scientist Award, very very important to know. Sri Gautam Gopalakrishna from Maharashtra. Next one is World Leader for Peace and Security, important to know. Sri Ravi Shankar. Ursula K. Le Guin Award, that is Vajra Chandrasekhar. Next, British Academy Award, British Academy Book Prize Award, that is Sunil Amritu. CII Quality Ratna Award, Venus Srinivasavanu. Chevalier Award of France, that is Thota Tarin. Lokanayak Foundation Literary Award, that is Velama Simana. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad National Award, that is Latif Khan. Next, Ketan R. Miller Award, Sonali Ghosh. Sasastra Ramajan Pride, very important, Alexander Smith. 31st Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Environmental Conservation Award, that is Sahaja Samriddhi and Veerappan of Mysore. Next, National Dhanvantri Ayurveda Award, Banwarlal Gaur Vaidya and Vaidya Banwar Prasar. Next, Business Line Change Maker Award, that is DRDO. National Lata Mangeshwar Award, very important to know, Sonu Nigam singer. National Lata Mangeshwar Award, that is Shankar. It is year is important, 2024. In 2025 Sonu Nigam. Next, Global Tourism Award, Andhra Pradesh Tourism. Next, Krishna Media Award, Hamsi Prasanna Kumar. UNEP Young Champion of the Earth, that is Jinali Modi. PM Narasimha Rao Memorial Award, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Living Bridge Award, British PM Keir Starmer, very important to know. Camel International Award, Yunus Ahmad. Professor V.K. Gokak Award, that is Anand V. Patil. National Teachers Award, there are total 45 National Teachers Award. 43rd Lokmanya Tilak Award, very important to Nitin Gadkari. Next, Lalit Kala Academy Award, Prem Chanda. Equator Award, very important to Bibi Fatima, Women's Self Help Group from Dharwad State, from Dharwad District, Karnataka. Next, Sansad Ratna Award, total 17 MPs. Next, G.P. Birla Memorial Prize, very important one, from goes to Dr. V. Narayan, ISRO. Pen Painter Prize, very important to Leila Abulela. Pen Painter Prize, Geetandri Sri. Best Magic Creator Award, Swan Shah. Next, Swiss Champion Award, that is Mary Paychan App. Next, Kalinga Ratna Prize, Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, important to know. Hema Bahadur Malla Prize 2080, that is Kalyan Shrestha, Nepal. Even Population Prize, very important to Varsha Deshpande from Maharashtra. Chintan Ravindran Prize, Sharan Kumar Limbale. Next, Key to the City Award, that is Argentina Award, goes to PM Narendra Modi. Order of the Star Ghana Award, PM Modi. Matrabhumi Sahitya Puruskar 2024, Sarah Joseph. Digital Payment Award goes to Indian Post Payment. Next, Shankar Dev Award, Sonal Mansingh. Next, Highest Civilian Order of Cyprus, that is goes to PM Narendra Modi. World Food Prize, that is Hungary, Brazil. Next, Dhyani Siddiqui Journalism Award, that is Sarva Priya. Next, UNESCO Press Freedom Award, newspaper. Next, World Law Congress Award, that is Bhuvan. French Honorary, that is Payal Kapadia. Next, Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2025, K. Mangalam Birla. Next, Gurudev Kalicharan Brahma Award, Dr. Achyuta. Next, Virtual Dalit Literature Award, that is P. Shivaka. Next, Squash Award, important to know. National Maritime Varun Award, Rajesh. National Youth Award, Occurs city key of the honor. It is from Portugal country. Goes to President Draupadi Murmu. Next, Fred Darrington Sand Master Award. Sudarshan Patnaik Anganwadi Award. Mayana Sri Lanka Highest Legislative Award. Mitra Vishnu Bhushan, that is PM Modi. Maharashtra Bhushan Award 2024. Ram Setu. Next, Ramnath Goenka Journalist Award, very important. Mridulika Night Crosser of the Denmark. Vijay Shankar Golden Mercury Award. Dalai Lama. Next one, Digital Transformation Award, that is RBI Bank. Next one, Ramsar Award Jayashree. Highest Civilian of Mauritius, that is goes to PM Narendra Modi. EM Turning Award Antio Barto and Richard. Honorary Order of the Freedom of the Award Barbados, PM Modi. Women of the Year 2025 Punya Burman. Honorary Knighthood from UK Sunil. Best Security Award Mopa Airport. Next, UK Knighthood Award N. Chandrasekhar. Scotch Award 2024 Nagaland Forest. Maharaja Hari Singh Award Lieutenant Gaurav Manoj Singh. Kirti Chakra Award, that is Major Manjeet and Naik Dilwar. US Presidential Medal Award Lionel Messi. Next one, Padmani Lifetime Achievement Award, that is Sai. Okay friends, next we will see venue for games. This is very important for exam point of view. 34th Summer Olympic Games. Country is USA, city is Los Angeles. 35th Summer Olympic Games, that is Australia, Brisbane. 25th Olympic Winter Games, Italy. 26th Olympic Winter Games, France. 27th Olympic Games, USA. 4th Summer Youth Olympics, Senegal. Olympic e-sport, that is Saudi Arabia. Next, 38th National Games, India, Uttarakhand. 39th, very important, India, Meghalaya. 20th Asian Games, that is Japan. 21st Asian Games, Qatar, Doha. 22nd Asian Games, Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Next one, 23rd Commonwealth Games, Glasgow, Scotland. 23rd FIFA Football World Cup, that is USA, Mexico, Canada. 24th FIFA World Cup, that is Portugal, Spain. 25th FIFA World Cup, that is Saudi Arabia. Next one, FIFA Women's World Cup. Venue is Brazil. FIFA Women's World Cup, USA. Next one, FIFA World Cup, United Kingdom. 14th Cricket World Cup, that is Namibia. Next, 15th World Cup, India and Bangladesh. ICC Women's Cricket World Cup, India. 10th ICC Championship, Pakistan. 11th India. 10th ICC Men's T20, that is India and Sri Lanka. Next one, 11th ICC Women's T20 World Cup, Pakistan. Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup, Thailand, Malaysia. 16th Men's Hockey World Cup, that is Belgium and Netherlands. First Hockey Fives World Cup, that is Oman. First Kho-Kho World Cup, India. Men's Boxing World Cup, Japan. World Weightlifting, Norway. World Badminton, India. 24th Asian Archery Championship, that is Bangladesh. Okay friends, these are the important sports and their venues. Remaining we will see in the next video. Thank you.